Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. 7th class. It's your math class. Exercise 12A. Question number 8. Construct a triangle KLM where angle L is equal to 125 degree and measurement line segment LM is equal to 5 centimeter. Name the triangle. कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी है एक ट्राइंगल के एल एम एंड एल जो है रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है 125 डिग्री एंगल एंड एल एम इज़ इक्वल टू 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो सोल्यूशन इज़ दैट draw a LM. We have the value of line segment LM is equal to 5 centimeter. Draw a line segment 5 centimeter LM. L to M 5 centimeter and construct an angle of 125 degree at L. Use your protractor and solve it. From the inner we use the zeros 10 20 30 60 40 70 80 and 10 and 120 that mark the 120 angle. 125 5 above and 125 mark the 125 and then join it okay. Open your compass with 5 centimeter take L as center and open your compass, mark it 5 centimeter. Open it 5 centimeter. It's 5. Look, 5 centimeter. And then mark it at point it on L and draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Then join it with this point with M. It's a K point. Its point is called K point and the angle represent 125 degree and the length of the KL is equal to 5 centimeter. And now steps of construction. Write down the steps of construction. Step of construction. Number 1. Draw a line segment LM is equal to 5 centimeter. Take L as center and construct 125 degree angle and then part 3rd take L as center and draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. Number 4. Join K to M and K to L. Join K to M and K to L. Number 5, required KLM, triangle KLM is required. It's, देखें बेटा, please look, it's 125 degree angle, means greater than 90. It is called obtuse angle triangle. So triangle KLM is required obtuse angle triangle. Number 9, construct the triangle ABC with measurement AB is equal to measurement BC is equal to 3.8 centimeter and measurement AC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Measure angle BAC and angle ACB. What is the relation between the angles? Now we solve the question number 9. We have the value AB and BC is 3.8 and AC is 4.5. Draw a line segment AC 4.5. It's a baseline. We draw it 4.5, measure it with 4.5. Okay. That is 4.5 A to C, 4.5 centimeter. Now we open the arc AB 3.8 centimeter. Open it. Open your compass. Measure it 3.8. 3.8. It's a measurement of AB 3.8. And now we take A as center and draw an arc of radius 3.8, and then take C as center and draw an arc of radius 3.8 centimeter. It's an intersection point, and we match this intersection point with A and with C. It's a B point. Intersection point is called B. Now we measure the angle of, we also measure, requirement is also measure the angle BAC and ACB. Now we measure the angle A. It's about 55 centimeter, 55 degree, sorry, 55 degree. And measure the angle C. Angle C, it's also 55 degree. Okay, so both are 55 degrees. And now steps of construction. Step of construction. Write down the step of construction. Number 1, draw measurement angle AC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Number 2, take A as center and draw an arc of radius 3.8 centimeter. Mark it 3.8 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 3.8 centimeter. Take C as center. C as center and draw another arc of radius 3.8 centimeter. Now join intersection point B, join B to A and B to C. Number 5, measure angle A is equal to 55 degree and angle C is equal to 55 degree. Both are equal. So, number 6, triangle ABC is required. Two angles are equal, so that is called isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is required isosceles triangle. And construct the triangle ABC with measurement AB is equal to 3 cm and BC is equal to 4 cm and measurement ABC is equal to 30 degree. Solve the question. We have the value of AB is 3 cm and we draw A to be 3 cm. Draw line segment AB 3 cm. Okay. AB is equal to 3 cm. Now take B as vertex and draw an angle of construct an angle of 30 degree. Mark it 30 degree. It's about 30. Okay. And then join it 30 degree. Okay. And then open an arc of 4 cm at vertex B and draw an arc of radius 4 cm. Open your arc 4 cm. Please open it. Measure it 4 cm. It's a 4 cm. And take B as vertex and draw an arc of radius 4 cm. And join this point A to, and this point is called C. And B is equal to 30 degree. And then the B to C is 4 cm. Mark it. And step of construction. Write down the step of construction. Steps of construction. Number 1, draw a line segment. Measurement AB is equal to 3 cm. Take B as center and draw and construct 30 degree and angle B is equal to 30 degree. Take B as center and draw an arc of radius 4 cm. Then join A to C, C to A, then join C to A and C to B. Triangle ABC is required triangle.